Cloud Volumes service simplifies storage in Google Cloud while offering intelligent features right from the Google console. Let's take a look. Here I am in my Google Cloud project. By going to the navigation menu in the left, you can see that the Cloud Volumes service is available and integrated right inside the Google Cloud UI. Let's pin that service so we can get to it later. Cloud Volumes service for Google Cloud is so simple to configure. You can create volumes, create snapshots of volumes, and manage Active Directory connections. We list everything you need to know about a volume right in the Google Cloud UI, such as its name, region, performance level, and capacity. Creating volumes is easy. You can step through the wizard or generate them using an API. Let's give it a name and pick a Google Cloud region from the pre-populated list. I have the choice of one of 3 service levels based on the performance I expect to provide to my application. If things change in future, I'll just change it on the fly with no outage. I'll give it a capacity of 1 terabyte and choose the NFS protocol. SMB is available here too. We auto-populate the VPC network so you don't have to remember it. Snapshots are like an insurance policy. This provides a great strategy for accidental file deletes. And let's click Save. In just a few seconds, I have now created a 1 terabyte NFS volume and endpoint that can be very easily mounted and consumed by my application instances within Google Cloud. NetApp wants your experience on any cloud to be this simple, so let's see how easy it is to dynamically scale capacity and performance in Azure NetApp Files. To do this, I'm going to use an existing volume where I have a benchmark running. Here's a 1 terabyte volume configured with the Ultra service level. You can see it's built into the Microsoft Azure portal. Sometimes I don't always know the performance requirements of an application, so being able to configure the capacity and performance on demand allows me to optimize my applications. The 1 terabyte volume is mounted on a Linux host, and you can see the expected throughput running here. Doubling the quota of this volume also doubles the performance. Let's increase it one more time to 8 terabytes. The performance scales linearly to over 10 gigasecond of throughput. It's pretty awesome. NetApp has delivered a #1 storage platform, Cloud Volumes on tap, running on AWS and Microsoft Azure for several years. It's now possible to build the same storage platform in Google Cloud. Cloud Volumes Service is a Google Cloud native file service where NetApp has tightly aligned with Google Cloud to integrate the service into the Cloud console. Cloud Volumes ONTAP runs as a virtual appliance on top of Google Cloud resources. It's a comprehensive set of data management functionality provided by NetApp. It adds storage efficiencies such as thin provisioning and tiering of cold data to a cheaper tier of storage.